know where you from. Really wanna know your name. Tell me, do you feel the same?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have a new background, as you can see. Let me know what y'all think about it. We're gonna be trying out a new unit from Alipearl. I've done maybe 2 videos regarding Alipearl Hair and the units were bomb. So I'm excited to see what this one's gonna look like. We have more texture in this one. So we're gonna do an install and slay as always. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family. Let's get started with this video. Right, so disregard how the box looks. It was actually in my luggage. I was gonna do a video for y'all because we ended up having to stay longer in Dallas. But yeah, I didn't get a chance to do it. So the box looks a little jacked. But I'm sure the unit's gonna be bomb. So let's see. Okay, so this is the unit. They do have this new tag that they've included on their units. It says 100% unprocessed human hair, and this is a lace wig, and it has extremely deep parting space. My length is in length 22, and this unit is loose deep wave texture. So really pretty, and I'm sure once I wet it and everything, it's gonna be gorgeous. So let's get this beauty on a mannequin head so that we can see what we're working with. So now that we have the unit on the mannequin head, we're going to begin to look at the hairline. It is pre-plucked, but I am going to go in later and pluck it some more, and I'm going to show you all the tweezer set that I use. It also comes with baby hair in the front. I love how natural they constructed their hairline. They did a very good job. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 at the bottom, and an adjustable strap. The knots on this unit are also not as pronounced as most affordable units knots come. Now this extremely deep parting space, I guess that's a bit subjective because I wouldn't actually say this is extremely deep. It's actually just 4 inches of parting space. So this is a 13 by 4 lace frontal. These are the tweezers that I mentioned that I'll be using in order to tweeze the hairline. I started with the slanted tip first, and then I later decided to use the pointy tip, and you'll notice that the pointy tip was it for me. Okay, so now we're going to add color to the lace and also conceal those knots, and I'm going to do so using the Sally Hansen Airbrush Leg Spray. I'm using color Deep Glow, but use whatever color best matches your skin tone. is. This hair is. I am in love with this texture and this length on me. It looks really, really good. And I love just how chunky these curls are. Now, I did struggle. I'm going to be honest. I struggled using this Got To Be glue. I don't know how you guys are using this and getting your units to stick. It takes me so long and so many different tries using this. But the Got To Be glue, let me wipe it off because I still have some of the hair that I tweezed out of the hairline on it. But this one just works so much better for me. It looks so great. This one for the win. Y'all gonna have to give me some tips. I feel like I always get really natural looking laid installs with the yellow one. So now the texture of this hair is the loose deep wave texture, and I love it a great deal. I especially love the rounded curls on the end. They are so, so pretty. Like, look at this one. How beautiful is that curl? So right out of the package, I feel like these curls are beautiful. They just look so luscious to me. Now, washing this hair is gonna really, really help the curls to pop, and using a Denman brush, which is typically what I do when I do curlier, coilier textured hair. So this is deep wave, but although it's deep wave, I feel like if you were to really wet it and use a Denman brush, that the curls are gonna really clump together. But I love how it looks right out of the package. This is a lace front construction, so there's ear to ear parting space, so you can part it wherever in this region. Now, the parting looks very natural as well. I didn't tweeze the part. I did actually go in with my Sally Hansen, and I sprayed that just to tint the lace and also conceal the knot. This unit is in length 22, and I love that the length is pretty much consistent. There are some shorter pieces here, but I like that because it creates a layered look, and it also creates dimension in your style. This unit is in 200% density, so it is rather full. Now, because I love a big voluminous look, this is perfect for me, but if you're someone who does not like all this volume, then I'd suggest going down. But 200 is perfect for me. This hair is in natural black. It is also in a cap size medium. I do often get questions about the type of lace that it is, so this is Swiss lace, for those who often ask me that question. This unit is 100% virgin hair, so you could dye it, you could flat iron it, and it would come out really straight. And I'm gonna actually test that to see how straight this hair will get. So let's do that now.
What?
Alright, so as you all can see, you can straighten the hair. It gets really straight. I'm going to spray some water on it so we can see how it reverts. Okay, it's not reverting right away, but we got to give it some time. Alright y'all, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box for the link to Alipearl. And also I'm going to link all of my previous videos that I've done with Alipearl Hair. So be sure to check those out. Leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!